technology and steel frame construction to realize fast melting, safety, and long life working. The remote power control box realizes electrical parameter monitoring and power adjustment. The hydraulic tilting control ensures the running reliability. Its application involves in steel plant to produce steel billets and reinforcing bars, mainly by co-working with continuous casting machine and rolling mill. Foundry to produce customized casting products, mainly made by iron, copper, and aluminum. Superb Electro